Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest iPhone tricks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into something that's bugged a lot of us: how to view the very first message in a chat on your iPhone in 2025. With iOS 19 rolling out new features, this process is smoother than ever, but we'll cover it step by step so you can do it quickly and hassle-free. Why does this matter? Maybe you're trying to revisit an old conversation for sentimental reasons, or you need to find important info from the start of a thread. Let's jump right in. First things first, unlock your iPhone and open the Messages app. That's the green icon with a speech bubble. Once you're in, locate the chat you want to explore. Tap on it to open the conversation. Now, here's the key. At the top of the chat screen, you'll see a History or Load More button, depending on your iOS version. In 2025's update, Apple has made this even more intuitive with a simple swipe or tap. Scroll all the way up in the chat. If the conversation is really long, you might need to keep scrolling until you hit the beginning. But if that's taking too long, use the search feature. Tap the search bar at the top of the Messages app, type in keywords from what you think the first message might say, and filter by date to go back to the earliest messages. For example, search for the contact's name and select Oldest First in the sort options. This is a game changer for chats that go back years. One quick tip: if you're dealing with iMessage conversations, make sure you're connected to the internet, as some older messages might need to be reloaded from iCloud. If you run into any issues, like messages not loading, try force quitting the app and reopening it, or check your iCloud settings under Settings greater than Your Name, greater than iCloud greater than Messages. And just like that, you've uncovered the first message. It's that straightforward with the 2025 updates. I hope this tutorial saved you some frustration. If you found it helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.